welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about my everyday makeup tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how I do simple makeup for church, class and outing. So if you want to know and learn, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. First thing I do is to prime my face with all day primer. I do my brows. I don't know about you, but my favorite eyebrow is my left brow. See where the eyebrow is done. Done with the eyebrow. The next thing is to do eyeshadow, simple eyeshadow. So I go with my Morphe eyeshadow palette. Take a darker shade, so I'll be using this. For the crease. Don't have to take too much product. I took too much product. I'll be using this. The eyeshadow is optional. You don't have to use what I'm using, but just something light so you don't look extra. I would add this to it. This right here. I don't know how this is going to turn out, but let's just see. Okay, so after we are done with the eyeshadow, the next thing I do is to apply some liner. If you are going to cry, you don't have to do this step, you have to skip it. After applying the eyeliner, the next thing I do is to apply mascara. I use e.l.f. mascara. This is what I have, but you can use any mascara. I don't use lashes because I have eyelashes, long eyelashes. Done with my eye makeup. The next thing I do is to apply foundation. I use Milani Foundation Chestnut, but unfortunately it got broken, so I put it in Fit Me container. I use my beauty blender to blend it all. I don't have a particular place I start from. I just blend from anywhere and make sure it is well blended. Blend, blend, blend. To go out with a caricature face. Okay, so after the application of the foundation, the next thing I do is to apply my concealer, Girl Pro Concealer, under my eyes, my nose. You just watch. blend this out with my beauty blender. Make sure you blend it well. Blending everything on my face, I use powder to set my face. I can't find my setting powder because of the lockdown too. I don't know how to get some, so I use the black Opal face powder to set my under eyes. My beauty blender. I always do everything with my beauty blender. Okay, what I do is to apply contour. I don't always use liquid or stick contour. I use the powder contour, so I use e.l.f. contour palette. e.l.f. If you can't find your cheekbone, just do what I'm doing. Nose. After everything I apply, I set everything with my powder. I've lost it, I've forgotten the name too. Don't apply too much product on your face. Make sure everything is blended in your face. To blush, you just apply blush. I don't have blush at the moment. I'll use this. To highlight my face. My nose. My favorite part is to line your lip. I'm using Miss Loretta Cosmetics eyeliner and lip liner pencil. You can get it at any cosmetic shop for just 2 cedis. Budget friendly. Apply my lip balm. Apply lip gloss. Apply setting spray because makeup isn't complete without setting spray. So I apply LA Girl Pro setting spray on my face. This is the final look. Simple makeup look, everyday simple look. You can take this look anywhere. Okay, so this is the end of my everyday makeup tutorial. I hope you liked this video and you are learning a lot, or you learned a lot from it. Kindly hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the notification button to get notified when I upload a video. How do I look? Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. Bye.